Hi everyone, it's Stephanie here, and today I'm doing I guess you could say a mini review of Uniwig's new Breeze topper. I've already done a full review, which I'll link above. But what I want to do in this video today is before I showed you how to cut the lace off of this lace front topper, but I didn't use glue, and so I wanted to show you how to use glue so that your lace front topper stays firmly in place. Now, just to go over the details of this beautiful topper, this is one of their most lightweight toppers. It's made out of Swiss lace all here, very realistic looking, as you can see through here. This is a 16-inch topper in in mousse brown, and the color is just a great match for my hair. And I'm just going to wipe the area around my hairline with a little bit of it with an alcohol pad so that everything will stay on. Really easy. You put the topper on. Put this on right over here. The lace is very, very realistic, which is great. But one of the things I noticed is that you can kind of see where the lace separates from the scalp. So we're going to use some wig glue on this. Okay, and I've chosen just a quick Amazon buy. It's called Millie's wig glue. Going to hold this. It says that you can use a hair dryer and put it on cold, but the room that I'm in right now is quite dry and it's quite cool. So I'm just hoping that this will have that glue dry. Okay, so now that glue is dried on, and as you can see, there is no gap anymore. It's securely on. I can really move around. It doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. But this is just a way to make sure that the lace is going to lie nice and flat, and it's a really good product that I will link, that I got on Amazon, in the description below. I'll just give you a turnaround so you can see the whole topper. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. I'd love for you to see all of my reviews on not just hair toppers, but wigs and any kinds of hair treatments that I'm currently going through to see if I can actually grow some more bio hair. Thanks until next time. Bye.